Greetings, this is Rohit from ResumeGuru, and in today's video we're going to learn how to make a good MCA Fresher resume. So let's get started. So who is an MCA Fresher? An MCA Fresher is someone who has just recently completed or are currently pursuing a degree in MCA. They aim to begin a career in software development, web development or data analysis by applying academic knowledge, technical skills and hands-on project experience to real-world challenges. So now that we know that, let's learn how to make a good resume for an MCA Fresher. So here are some things that definitely should be there in an MCA Fresher resume. Number one being technical keywords. Now technical keywords include things such as Java, Python, MySQL or any such skills that you have that the recruiter will be looking for. Next is project details. If you've done any projects, whether as a part of an internship or for your college or anything that you've taken up on your own, they should be mentioned in your resume because they're a good way to show that you're good at what you do. Next is internship experience. Now if you have any internship experience, you should definitely highlight that because that separates you from the other candidates who may not have had any internship experience. Next is action verbs. Now to show that you're a performer and not just a doer, that you are more action and achievement oriented, you should use action verbs such as developed, implemented, designed in your sentences. You'll see examples of this in the sample later. Now let's look at an actual resume sample of an MCA Fresher to learn more. So this is the resume we have made for one of our clients. We have removed any private information to maintain their privacy. Let's start with the top section of the resume, which is the header. A header includes your name, your mobile number, email address, LinkedIn profile URL and also your GitHub portfolio. So this allows the recruiter to not only contact you easily but also see your portfolio to gain an idea of your skill set. Next is a summary section. A summary is a short paragraph that mentions your degree, your technical focus and desired roles that you're looking for. This is where you use any job relevant keywords as well and also give a summary of who you are as a person and as a professional. Next is the education section. Since you're a fresher and you have not had any work experience, you should put your education first. For this particular client, we have put their degree in MCA and their BSc degree, and we have also added any relevant subjects that they've had. These subjects perform as keywords. So adding things like data structures and algorithms, operating system, DBMS and stuff. These are actual keywords that the recruiter is looking for, so mentioning them in your resume is very good. Next is the technical skills section. Now, these are the technical skills related to the field of programming and MCA that should be there in your resume, such as Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, etc. They can be also categorized into multiple topics such as tools and frameworks, database management, web development, programming. Next is your internship experience. Now if you have had any internship experience, you should write it in the following format. Write the name of your role, name of the company and also the date from when you work there, and give the summary of your information of the work you've done in the internship as bullet points. Don't make paragraphs, make bullet points because they are easier to read and they look much more professional. And as mentioned earlier, start the sentences with action verbs such as developed, assisted, collaborated because they help you look more like a professional. Next are academic projects. Now these are the projects that you have done as a part of your curriculum or for any activity conducted in the college. For example, this client has made an online examination system for an MCA final project or for a movie recommendation system. So mention the name of the project, mention what you have done and also highlight the tools or technologies you've used. So for example, this client used Java, MySQL and React.js for this online examination system. You can also mention personal projects such as they created a portfolio website. They use HTML, CSS, JavaScript and GitHub pages and they have mentioned all of this. So this not only acts as keywords, but it also shows that you actually have good experience using these particular technologies. Next is extracurricular activities. If you have done any extracurricular activities throughout your college life, or you should mention those such as certifications, any hackathon you've taken a part in or any organization you were a part of in your college. Lastly is the soft skills section. In this section, you can add any keywords such as problem solving, collaboration, communication, adaptability, etc. This is an optional section. You can skip adding it also, but if you want, you can add it. So that is our entire coverage on how to make a good MCA Fresher resume. To check out the full blog, please see the link in the description below and please let us know if you have any queries. Thank you so much and have a great day.